Hello everyone, one more roll here. Today I'm going to be showing you what Mach 20 will look like on the ground. I'm doing this by doing slew mode in Microsoft Flight Sim. So whenever I do this, really the most important thing about this is calculating the true airspeed. And here's some calculations of how I did it. But essentially temperature is a big factor into what your true airspeed actually is. For this assumption, I assume the temperature outside is 50 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about average for the US. And that's about 283 Kelvin, which will give you approximately 13,000 true airspeed. However, I also considered that you were flying up in space and how that would be 10,800 true airspeed. So I kind of did a middle 12,000. So a little bit colder day is what this would actually simulate. The reason I started this video over the ocean is because you can actually get a consistent true airspeed whenever you're flying forward and you can get that set. So I set it and then went over land. I'm actually flying over New York City, over JFK. With Mach 20, this is the closest I could get to the ground in order to maintain Mach 20 in slew mode. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, feel free to like, subscribe, and make a ton of aviation videos daily, and I'm sure y'all will enjoy. Thank you.